Ever pondered the secret to making money online? In the age of digital revolution, it has become increasingly possible to turn a profit from the comfort of your own home. This video will guide you through different methods to earn money online in a step-by-step manner. First on the list is freelancing. Freelancing has become the go-to option for many people, providing the flexibility to work on different projects and from any location. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a platform where you can offer your skills in areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, and many more. The key here is to build a strong profile and portfolio that showcases your skills and experiences. Next, consider affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. The trick is to choose products that you are passionate about and would recommend to others. Websites like Amazon, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate are great platforms to start your affiliate marketing journey. Thirdly, think about blogging. If you love writing and sharing your thoughts, why not monetize it? Starting a blog is relatively easy, and once you have built a solid readership, you can make money through advertising, sponsored posts, and even selling your own products or services. Another method is online tutoring. With the rise of e-learning, there is a high demand for online tutors. If you are an expert in a particular subject, you can offer your tutoring services on platforms like Tutor.com or Chegg Tutors. Remember, it's not just academic subjects that are in demand, but also skills like music, cooking, and languages. Lastly, selling products online. You can start an e-commerce store and sell products directly to consumers. Websites like Etsy or eBay allow you to sell handmade or vintage items, while platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce let you set up your own online store. Now, to summarize, the digital world offers plenty of opportunities to make money online. You can choose to freelance, delve into affiliate marketing, start a blog, offer online tutoring, or sell products online. Each method requires dedication and strategic planning, but with persistence, it's entirely possible to turn these online ventures into a considerable income stream. Remember, the journey to making money online is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires time, effort, and most importantly, patience. So start today, stay consistent, and watch as your online earnings grow. Tune in to our next video where we will delve deeper into each of these methods. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep earning.